Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. But first, let us introduce ourselves. Me, myself, Alia Masara binti Abdul Malik. I would like to present about company background.
My name is Nur Afifah binti Mak Faizal. I will describe about our product.
My name is Ahmad Daniel bin Marazi. I will talk about the process and the raw materials for the company.
And my name is Muhammad Sharif Iqmal Wialullah. I will talk about the engineer's role in the company.
Okay, first of all, the most well-known oleochemical company that we choose is Carotenoids Neighborhood. So, this company is a member of J.C. Chang Group, which is the group chairman is Tan Sri Datuk J.C. Chang, while the CEO is Mr. Chang Chu Shen. So, this company is one of the main branch all of the world. So, next, the company has a RSPO certified, which is can gain a benefits. What is RSPO? So, RSPO is Round Table for Sustainable Palm Oil. What the benefits if the company has a RSPO certified? So, the benefits is better work management and reduced usage of pesticides. So, this company is based in the Pasir Gudang, Johor since 1996, and the products entered the local market about 15 years ago. So, this company has its own plantations. This company own and manage 100,000 acres of oil palm plantation with 4 crude palm oil mill in the country. So the most main product from this company is Carotina Premium. Carotina Premium. So this red palm oil is the most healthier palm oil, which is rich of vitamin A, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Next, this company missions is they are dedicated to maintaining and extending their leading position in the research, development, and manufacturing of palm oil products, which is other than they produce the oleochemicals, they used to produce the biodiesel. Next, their vision is to grow into a multinational company dealing in a value-added food, oleochemical, nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, and environment-friendly fuel derived from oil palm.
Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about the main focus of the company production. So the main focus for the company production is food service and industrial products and nutraceutical products. So for this, the company aims to create healthier and much more quality products for our consumer to use. And for the oleochemical part, the company want to utilize our nature to its finest and create a new product by experimenting with different type of nature, and such as we take for this company is palm oil. So for the biodiesel, the company aim to create a renewable source of fuel for the cars in the future, or any source of energy that need fuel. Okay, for the type of engineer involved in the start. So for this part, unfortunately we cannot reach the company for the interview, but we have made some research about the engineering process and the involvement in the part. Alright. For the manufacturing engineer, so their responsibility is for the production and the fabrication process. They decide what material to use, what raw material to use, and what process that will be involved in the production. So for the operation engineer, they make sure companies' operations such as manufacturing to shippings work smoothly, and they supervise all the process and the operation in the plant. For the safety engineer, the safety engineer is the core of the safety of the plant and their employees. So their responsibilities is to monitor all the hazards and prepare any contingency plan for any disasters that may occur. For the research and development engineers, so their responsibility is to design a new plan for future projects, and they also design a detailed plan and lead the team for the projects to be successful. And lastly, quality control engineer. Basically, they are the engineers that monitors all the machine and the product to be at top, at the good shape, in a good shape and in a perfection. That's all.
So I'm going to talk about the raw materials and the process involved in the company production. So basically, this is the anatomy of the palm oil fruit. It is divided into two regions, which is the kernel and the mesocarp. The kernel can produce the kernel palm oil, which is rich in C12 and C14 fatty acids, while the mesocarp can produce the crude palm oil, which is rich in C16 and C18 fatty acids. Okay, so this is the general process for the extraction of the crude palm oil. The first process, initially the palm oil will be transferred to the mills. So the next process, the sterilization inside a large pressure vessel and or cage. The second process is the stripping inside a rotating drum stripper. The third process is the extraction inside a homogeneous oil mesh, and the last process is the purification inside the continuous clarification tank, and we will get the crude palm oil. As I mentioned before, the crude palm oil is rich in C18 and C16 fatty acid. However, the component needed by the company for their production is the C16 and or C18 fatty acid methyl ester. So how do they produce the methyl ester? To produce the methyl ester, the crude palm oil is being added with the methanol and catalyst, producing crude fatty acid methyl ester that will be distillate, and will get the crude and distillate fatty acid methyl ester. Thank you.
Okay, I will talk about application of the methyl ester. There are two types of methyl ester, which is C16 methyl ester and C18 methyl ester. C16 methyl ester is a caroteno-palmitic methyl ester, C60Me, which is it's produced active detergent like methyl ester sulfonates MES and methyl ester ethoxylates MEE. So for C60 methyl ester application is a soap, hand cleaner, adhesive remover, lubricants, gear oil, laundry detergents, component of oil, base pen and inks. Adhesive remover is a substance that remove a glue from a surface. Okay, for the C18 methyl ester, is a caroteno oleic methyl ester C18Me, which is the ingredient to make personal care, cosmetic and pharmaceutical industry. So this is the application for methyl ester, which is biodiesel, pesticides, plasticizers, emulsifier, cosmetic and pharmaceutical products. So for the plasticizers is additive additive to increase the plasticity of a material, that they decrease the attraction between the polymer change to make them flexible. Okay, for the next slide, this is a product that Carotino Group produced, which is Carotino Margarine, Carotino Butter G, which is a butter, Carotino Premium, Carotino Classic, Carotino Red Palm Fruit Oil, C16 methyl ester, and C18 methyl ester. So I will go to the three type of cooking oil, which is Carotino Premium, Carotino Classic, Carotino Red Palm Fruit Oil. Okay, for the Carotino Premium is a nutritious cooking and salad oil that have phytonutrients, which is has a natural carotenes, toconutrients, tocopherols, coenzyme Q10, and also have a cholesterol free. So for the Carotino Classic is from a vegetable oil. This also have carotenes, tocopherols, toconutrients. So for Carotino Classic, this product high in a monounsaturated fatty acid and low in saturated fatty acid. So they also have a source of omega-3 and omega-6. Okay, for Carotino Red Palm Fruit Oil, this oil have all goodness and taste of red palm oil, and it's great for traditional cooking. It also have carotenes, tocopherols, and toconutrients. Okay, I will proceed to the Carotino Beta G butter. Carotino Beta G butter is from finest red palm oil that have antioxidant vitamin E and not hydrogenated. So this butter also dairy free and suitable for vegetarians. So for the Carotino Margarine is a natural blend of carotenes and tocopherols and toconutrients. So I will proceed to the MFU, which is a biodiesel. This biodiesel free from soaps, heavy metals, and other impurities, because it can smooth the running of the vehicle and machineries. So okay, for the type of intermediate is a fatty ester. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, thank you.
That's all from us, Group 3. Thank you.